I go out, yeah, I know.
Gamma? G'day? How's it cracking? Good mate? Yep. Cracking away, good mate.
I wanna see you peacock, cock, cock, you peacock, cock, you peacock, cock, cock, you peacock. I wanna see you peacock, cock, cock, you peacock, cock, you peacock, cock, cock, you peacock. Word on the street, you got something to show me, magical, colorful, Mr. Mystery. I'm intrigued, your feet, good, it's fascinating. Maybe let me see what you hiding underneath. Oh, take the sleeves, such a tease, wanna see the show. Oh, infinity, I'm moving, but it's beautiful. Be the judge, and my girl's gonna take the photo. Oh, maybe let me see what you hiding under. I want the jaw dropping, eye popping, head turning, body shocking. I want my heart throbbing, ground shaking, shoes stopping, amazing. Are you brave enough to let me see your peacock? Don't be a chicken, bust it back like a biatch. I'ma be sad if you don't want to. Come on, baby, let me see what you hiding underneath. Are you brave enough to let me see your peacock? What you waiting for? It's time for you to show it off. Don't be a shy kind of guy that's beautiful. Come on, baby, let me see what you hiding underneath. Peacock, cock, cock, you peacock, cock, you peacock, cock, cock.
Not afraid. It's been a while. I guess I had to
Go to this place.
to get to this one. Now some of you know likes to be in that place. If you're trying to get out, follow me. I'll get you. You can try and read my lyrics off, but it's capable, man. But you won't take the sting off these words before I say them. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing man. When I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me, so fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up, everything's stopping me. I'm gonna be what I set out to be, without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts, don't try to ask him why, how could he? From infinite down to the last relapse album, he's still shitting, whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he pounds salary, shits his pounds out of him, whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse, forget the earth, he's got the urge to pull his dick from the dirt and fuck the whole universe.